You can rate me 1 to 10? Loving the lazy river, say yeah! Get that number, get that number.
Shit, this shit fun.
Mr. Smack it if her ass fat. Niggas know the name. See, I'm chunking up the hood so you niggas know the game. Put that ass on my thing, throw it back and start wanging. I'ma hit it, then I quit it. Little bitch can't claim it. Better duck when I'm aiming, cause the head getting knocked off. Bitch give me head, then she better take a top off. Spend a night where, little bitch, you getting dropped off. And stop talking about me to your friends, we do not talk. Yellow in the back and all black like a Batman. Chopper with a drum, keep spraying like an axe can. Thick bitch, let me paint her face like a tap man. He dissing.
Yo, Amateur gang, man. I see y'all get here, you feel me? You know, we having a good day. I hope y'all having a good day, man. You already know, niggas finna vlog out here right now. We having a cool day. Hey, mess around, niggas might go to Hurricane Harbor for the first time. Like, I ain't never been personally, but, feel me? Niggas, you feel me? Always wanted to go. But anyway, yeah, so, like I was saying, you feel me? It might be a cool day, you feel me? I'm gonna vlog it out, you feel me? I might not bring the camera, so the quality might be ass. I don't wanna mess the camera up. But, I will probably vlog on my phone a little bit, show y'all a little bit of the day, you feel me? Have a little fun, you feel me? Y'all come out for me. I'm gonna take y'all on a journey, man. But look, I'm gonna see y'all probably in the car, vlog it in the car. So I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute, man. Yo. We here, y'all. Hot as hell. I'm telling y'all. I'm finna get some rides, though. I'm finna show y'all niggas, man. I'm finna get you niggas some rides, so holla back at you. Yes, sir, yes, sir. As y'all can see, niggas is here. Man, I don't know, I ain't never been here before. It's kind of big. Niggas got all the little lazy some more. Like, damn, my bad. I know the camera quality bad. I know. So this should look fun, man. Look at me. Like, shit, that might be a little bad. Like, I don't know. I got a camera in my hands. Niggas think I'm recording weird. Niggas just bum me with that. Nah, knock that nigga out. Where that? You know my vlogs is uncut. Yeah, I know what that means. Look cool. Trying to find some fine honeys too, you hear me? Niggas just told me $16 for some space. What's up? Put my backpack in. What? I'm gonna be honest, like with my Californians, niggas be letting yourself get out of the way. Like, god damn, there's a lot of fat niggas here. Like, there's some big niggas, bro. Like, honestly, like, damn. Niggas talking about rent a raft. Yeah, like, oh god, like, I could dive. I think I could be like Blueface over his video, nigga. Bet you ain't never met a nigga love swimming. That's all I know. Next, I feel like they gonna ask me $10 to sit down. You know what I mean? They're like, niggas gonna ask me $10 to sit, take a seat.
I think we have to get the floaties.
For what?
Buying.
We have to buy floaties.
Buy these.
But $16, I'm not buying floaty. You sound crazy. Oh, that's us? It's not $5 a seat? Say no more. No more.
It's free.
Damn, I ain't gonna lie, like, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all, like, I look good as niggas talking about JJ lose the mustache. I trimmed it a little bit, y'all. Like, I trimmed it a little bit, like, comment down below if y'all think it looks good. Like, I think I trimmed it a little bit. It looks nice. Hold on, let me get y'all in the light real quick. It's solid. Man, this place better be fun. That's all I know. I didn't pay about what, like 35 for this? No, 25, 22, 25. So man, that should be solid, like. Man, you know what I'm finna do? I'm gonna get on a water slide with y'all. That's my goal. I don't care. So, oh well, sneaking in. I'm gonna sneak y'all in just like that. I'll try. Stealing babies now?
Yes.
I knew you was a baby stealer.
Don't put that in.
My bad. I ain't gonna put it in. I might ask around. See, this place cool. Like I'm gonna ask these niggas right here. Hey, bro, this place cool, bro?
Hell yeah, it's cool.
I ain't never been. It's nice?
It's hell nice.
All right, for sure. Good looking. I'm just asking around. Where we heading to, though? Like, I don't know. Like, I don't even know where niggas is going. Like, I put music on it?
I said I hope you put good music.
Well, I kind of want to hear what they got. Like, you feel me? Hear what I'm talking about, you know? We got to sit in the line or something?
So is this line for this?
Oh, yep, we in line with it. They trying to bet, like, I won't, like, beat them in this race. Like, I don't really get it. Like they know I'm, like, y'all know. Well, I'm gonna be so serious. Like, I'm gonna win. Like, I promise you I'm gonna win. Like,
you gotta turn the camera
I mean, you got in it, so I did that.
All that.
Don't drop my camera.
My turn.
Oh, my God.
Hey guys, it's Nyla. I'm vlogging now.
That's why you're
taking
upside
over.
down. Congratulations. You played yourself, literally.
Okay.
How much you bench? How much you bench? Damn. God damn.
You got shoes on.
Not a thing. Like, I don't get it. Like, I don't understand. Think I could join y'all? My bad. If y'all loving the Lazy River, say yeah! Oh, my bad. Sorry. Hey, yo, Shawty! Yeah, go hold his hand. She better go hold his hand. Likes her energy. Likes her energy. Hurricane Harbor sucks. Hurricane Harbor sucks, but look at me though, you feel me? Dark skin. You can see it. Baby, what? Damn, I forgot the lyrics. Fuck the lyrics. Deshaun, yeah, like my homegirl want to talk to you, fool. So she just wants your number. That's it. That's all. She probably will put it in your phone. You hear me? Go ahead. Hey, Jamie.
Oh, hi. I just wanted to tell you I think that sugar.
Get that number. Get that number. Okay. You got a test on them too, so you finna get it. Okay. We do theirs, you feel me? That's how it happens. We do theirs, you feel me? If they don't do theirs, I'm gonna do theirs for them. I'm gonna bring the dare to them, you know? You hear me? Ain't that right, Jamie? I'm gonna bring the dare to
I
you.
dare you to get Shorty's number right here in the green bin.
Well, baby, see where she at?
Behind us.
Are you all green? Come on. Who? Oh no, her lip kind of big. Come on, her lip big as hell. I can't do nothing. At least give me a cute girl, like give me a. She's Spanish. I'm like, yo, teach me a little Spanish real quick. How do I say I want your number? Like, I say,
Over here, we did that.
yeah, I do. I swear to God, I do this. Let me find someone beautiful.
The girl there in the yellow. Gonna run.
That's in my life.
Have you guys called my parents?
Are you a star? Because you the sparkle that flashes in my life.
What?
All right, that was corny.
Huh?
That was corny.
That was funny.
It was cool.
It was funny.
You in a hurry?
Kinda.
My bad. I just wanted your number. That's it. That's yeah. All right, listen. Your knees hurt. Be honest.
I'm really dead. Show them the walk.
That's the walk, y'all. It's real far. She tired as hell. She a big bitch. That's what she is. I'm a solid nigga, you know? I'm pretty good.
That's high.
You gonna wish me luck? Woo! I'm cool off that. Water coat. I'm gonna get a push. Oh, okay. I'm just asking, like, am I getting a push? All right, y'all. We finna get it.
He needs some milk.
Hurricane Harbor did me good. They did me good. That hit.
Did you record that?
Yeah, but it stopped my recording. Like that's how crazy it was.
Oh, that hurt.
G, rate me 1 through 10. You can rate me 1 through 10.
Why?
I don't know. It's a question that I ask a lot of people. Like I just want to see if I'm ugly or not. Like let's get, like 1 through 10. Like what would I be? 8. I like that. Appreciate it.